Yes, so this is the NärCon juice bar, and we have blended here a Kirby. A Kirby has been blended here, and now we are going to put this in the fridge for the customers to buy and drink this. Yes. Now the content has been filled in here, in the Kirby thing, and then let's move on to the blender here, and let's blend this content here, and then let's push the button here and then blend. And now it's finished with the blending, and then let's pour it in the here for the customers to drink this. And this thing on top of it, and then let's put this thing in the fridge. Yes, here at this NärCon event in Linköping. Here we are, and let's put this thing in the fridge for the customers to buy and to drink these drinks. So, and now we have finished.